not for me. Yeah, my top speed is a little faster, but it's a .18, you know? We just gotta run it, you know? Nitro Gang. Motocross, baby, motocross. It's the kind of stuff I do. What's up, Nitro Gang? Today we got two 10 scale touring cars. This one on the right is the Thunder Iger Tomahawk MX single speed. I recently hit 43 miles per hour with this in my video. And this here is a classic. It's a vintage, it's a collectible. Stock HPI Nitro RS4 2. I have loads and loads of respect for this RC, guys. Special thanks to a Nitro Gang member for coming and RCing with this classic collectible here today. This one is fully stock. It's running the original HPI Nitro Star 15 FE motor. Now these things are actually quite good engines. The only negative, I mean, you know, to some people, I don't particularly consider it a negative, it has a single needle carb right over here. So there is no low speed needle. Now this makes it very, very easy to tune, but of course you don't have that low end grunt. And sometimes these engines, you know, you want a little bit of that low speed tuning factor, but these are very good for beginners. Most people that bought these were beginners in the nitro hobby, and I also, in fact, I started off with an HPI 10 scale RC myself. The radio, we have the original Sport Blazer. These are Airtronics 2-channel radios with like giant antennas, right? When you extend it, you could like hurt people, so you got to be careful when you walk around. These things really have stood the test of time. Modern 10 scale touring cars, if you could even find one, of course, you know, you're probably going to be like an HSP or something. They really are not that much different than one of these. And now onto my Thunder Iger. I already talked a lot about this. This is a newer RC. We're running the .18 Thunder Iger motor. We got a tuned pipe. Now, notice this fuel tank design. I know it looks like a basic, you know, cheapo plastic fuel tank, but no. It literally goes right in the middle of the chassis for weight distribution. Pretty nice. I like this thing. I've had it up to 43 miles an hour. Side by side, right? Yeah, they're exactly the same spec because this is a 10 scale touring car. The radio, original Airtronics radio here. What I really hate about it is you see these two adjustment trims here on top. One is for throttle, one is for steering. And it doesn't even have a label to tell you which one it's for. At least it's a 2.4 gigahertz, you know, computer radio. It's good. I got no problems with that. For today's video, we're gonna be running this Byron Race Fuel Gen 2, 20% nitro, 16% oil. 16% oil is a little bit a lot. I normally run 12, but when you want the best, you gotta settle for a lot of oil in this case because yeah, Byron is done. So we're gonna run it, we're gonna have a good time. And of course in the background, guys, this is my 2-stroke bike that I built a long time ago, and I'm actually riding this today, so maybe later on I'll put in a little bit of footage of this thing. I did have a little bit of trouble on the way here. I had to replace this fuel line, so unfortunately, yeah, this fuel line is like not the original line. I'm supposed to have this one here, but you know what, I hacked it up because that's like what the Nitro Gang does. This bike runs basic 2-stroke premix, just like the HPI Bajas, just like any gas RC. Time to shut up and run them. We're gonna do a dual startup. Who's is gonna start first?
Put the foot in front.
Yep, put the foot in front, that's right. Nitro Gang knows what it's doing.
Let's see. Oh.
That 15 FE idle's so nice. That's right, baby. They're on. I'm running super rich. That's a lot of smoke. My Thunder Iger is the Richard and Donald Trump edition, you know what I mean? And by the way, I'm running like these pretty terrible rally tires on mine. They have very low traction and grip, surprisingly enough. Oh yeah, 15 FE coming along. Let's do some like passes next to each other. Man, that 15 FE is keeping up with my .18 Thunder Tiger. It's running good for a single needle carb, right? Not bad. We just gotta be careful. Yeah, my top speed is a little faster, but it's a .18, you know? Go ahead, I'll follow you. Not bad. Oh yeah. Oh, I lost it, guys. That was a good run.
Yeah, right, not bad.
Yeah, when mine warms up, it's quick.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we got a wheel accident. Tire is unglued. Actually, the back tire is unglued. I've never seen both of them come apart like this. Pretty much in unison. That's pretty rare. So I guess my dollar store glue on these rally tires is quite good. And by the way, guys, yeah, these are like the cheapest tires possible. I only really bought them just to kind of get a little bit more ride height, but I gotta say, they pretty much suck. These tires, for those of you that don't know, are the classic original HPI radial pattern tires. Now, after this pattern came out, it was very, very popular to get the X pattern tires. Now, this rim design, super, super iconic. When I had my own HPI Nitro RS4 3, these were chromed. And yeah, to this day, this wheel is good looking. This one, not bad looking, but you know, it's like basically an $8 set of wheels from eBay. Yeah, literally, it's as cheap as possible. But guys, no major catastrophes other than, you know, this. Question is, if we put it back, you could still run it, I think. Yeah, we could just get it back. You just gotta like take it easy a little. Gotta glue the tire. You could just get like the dollar store super glue. I use that, it's pretty good.
Probably throw some Gorilla Glue.
Yeah, Gorilla Glue, man, whatever. We just gotta run it, you know? Nitro Gang. 2017 Ford Focus RS, baby. Let's do this. Oh yeah. All right, Nitro Gang, I had a good time. No massive issues with these two 10 scale touring cars, you know? Hold the clutch in right here. Got the brake. I'm gonna pedal a little bit, then release the clutch. The thing should start. All right, check this out. Oh yeah, and we're off, baby, we're off. What can I say? When a Nitro Gang goes RC, we ride our gas bike, you know? In fact, I want to go through this grass. No, I'm gonna beat the Subaru. I got you, bro, I got you, I beat you. How's that feel? I beat the Subaru, bro, I beat it. All right. We're on the grass, baby. Feels good. Yeah, guys, that felt good. Stop sign, not for me. Cruising right along, baby. Enjoy your barbecue, guys. It's a great day. Drive on Nitro. All right, Nitro Gang, we're at the skate park. Let me slow my roll. My brakes suck, so it takes me a little bit of while here to slow down. I'm not even kidding. All right, I'm gonna show you a New York City skate park. Let me turn this thing off. Kill switch right here. The Ben Soto skate park. Let's see what it's got to offer. This is guaranteed to be possibly the worst skate park you guys will ever see. What the hell is this? This is not like the skate parks I see in pretty much every single RC video. These are metal pipes I don't know what kind of RC I can launch down this pipe, but I can guarantee you, anything that crashes into here is gonna get destroyed. Even if it's not going 50 miles an hour, for those of you that know what I'm talking about, because this is a wall. This, I don't know what this is. Is this supposed to look like some kind of wave over here? Because it definitely looks like some kind of wave over here. But I remember years ago, there used to be kind of like, I guess you could call it jumps over here, but now, I don't know, I guess injuries occurred, New York City got sued, whatever the case is. And now, guys, we basically have stuff like this. There's like metal pipes of all kinds for grinding on skateboards. I know for a fact, right over here, this pipe, there's no RC trick I could do here. Now, if anybody has an idea of what kind of trick I could do here with one of my RCs, put in the comments. But I'll tell you right now, there's a reason why this skate park is empty, guys, because it sucks. All right, Nitro Gang, thanks so much for watching my RC bike adventure today. You know, our little visit here to the skate park. What the hell is this? Some kind of diagonal ledge? Because it looks like a freaking diagonal ledge. What am I supposed to do here? I can't even really honestly go above this unless you're talking about like creating some kind of little ramp over here. You know, what the hell is this? Who thought of this design? This is just like a raised table. Look at this. It's literally a freaking giant table right above the ground. I'm kidding, it's a platform. But you know, it's kind of like an ongoing joke. All right, Nitro Gang, time for me to get on my bike before it rains here. We are now watching in the new mode called Super View. So this should be extremely wide. You know, wider than a whale, whatever. Okay. Thing is on, let's do this. Oh, there's a turkey. Fit scale RC or bust. Right here, turkey for you, bro. And a little bit of baby turkeys. I gotta take it easy. I don't like to scare you guys. I'm sorry, all right? I'm sorry. That's right. You gotta be nice to your local wildlife, right? You only get one set. It's like your parents. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what that means. Oh, look at this tree. Oh, yeah. Dual purpose bike over here, guys. Dual purpose. Look at this. I'm ripping it, baby. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Some rough terrain. Yeah, I'm standing on the damn pedals right now. The motocross, baby, motocross. It's the kind of stuff I do. Yeah, yeah. The bike can take it. Oh yeah, that felt nice. All right, gotta slow down. My brakes suck, by the way. The worst brakes possible. All right, I feel it's like about to rain. Let's head home. Later.